exactly what we were hoping for. I have a big old tarp hanging from the front of the house. So you might be asking why. Well, there's an issue with the window seals, and they are not getting repaired until the new year. Let me see if we can see in there. Nope, can't see in that one. Hey, Hayden.
Hi.
But if you look over here,
I'm going back to
and
the
you
car.
see where the window seals are deteriorated on this side. This allows water to seep in when they're that badly deteriorated. And because of this deterioration that's over here, we have damage on the inside of the house. Let's go check that out. Inside, you'll find the water leaks down, and there could be damage under the window, there could be damage to the studs, there could be a lot of damage. And in this corner specifically is just falling apart. Anyway, so they'll come in and they'll pull all this up and take a look at it and evaluate it, and if we have to do further repair, we'll do it. We'll see. Hopefully it's just minor, but all underneath this window. Oh, I can't get that up. It's not wet. But anyway, we'll see what happens. See ya.